Alright guys, so I already did my face makeup. I used my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I can't get enough of it. I really can't. I just love the finish. It looks great. So yeah, I use this. I think that's going to be a good like festival kind of all day wear. I feel like it is sweat proof and it's just amazing. And that was in the shade Buff Bisque. And I also used my HD NYX Studio Concealer. I love this also. I feel like it's super brightening. I love it. I am just self-tanned, so I feel like it's still this CW01. I do like a lighter, I mean, like, I like to match my face to my self-tan, but I do like it to still be more youthful and bright because I don't really think a dark face is sometimes flattering. But anyway, so yeah, I did that, and then I did my bronzer, my blush. I'm gonna do my highlight with you guys, did my brows, so all that's done. So now we're gonna do the eyes, because I think that's the most important part pretty much with the festival, and your lip color. So I thought I'd just do that for you guys, and I'm going to be using the beloved Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm surprised I haven't used this on my channel yet, but I do use the heck out of this palette. But because this is a more festival look, I am going to be staying more in this lower region, which I think is fun because, I don't know about you, but I don't think I would ever necessarily use these colors on a day-to-day basis, so I feel like doing it for a festival look is always fun. But I am going to use my Tartelette and Bloom palette, and I'm just going to use the Charmer color just to set my whole eyelid. I used my MAC Painterly Paint Pot primer eyelid thing. What is it called? If y'all hear music or anything funny, I live near a park that is having a huge festival right now, so that's a little annoying, but we're gonna look past it, okay? We're gonna look past it. So I am going to start with a transition shade, just because you always need to start with a transition shade, in my opinion. I'm gonna use this one right here. I don't have the names of them, so don't shoot me because I don't know. I'm just gonna put this in to the crease. Every time I use this palette, I just forget how amazing and blendable these eyeshadows are. I love them. So now that that color is in the crease, I'm going to go in with this yellow shade right here. And I'm just going to do that, kind of buffing it into this color, but kind of buffing it out so that the yellow is more towards the outside, but also deepening up that transition shade. So now that that color is done, we're going to start going in with the blues, and I'm going to use this blue color down here. Now that that blue color's on, I love this color. It's making my eyes look super duper blue, and I love it. So I'm going to use this little Walgreens brush, and I'm going to go in with this blue shade right there, which I'm kind of obsessed with, but I am going to spray it with my MAC Fix Plus because I do want as much pigment as possible. Put that. You know, this is why I love makeup, because it's so much fun. You can just do so many things and be so creative, and it comes off at the end of the day. So you don't really have to care, you know? Just do what you like and what makes you happy. Wear whatever colors you want. As long as you like it, that's all that matters. But do you see how beautiful that color is? Oh my gosh. Obsessed. Obsessed. Jaclyn is a genius for putting those colors in. Am I the only one who thinks, like, when they think festival makeup, they think blue? I automatically go towards blue eyeshadow. I think it's very fun and festive. So now that that turquoise colors is on, I'm going to go back in with that blue that I put all in the crease, and I'm just going to lightly go over that, just so you don't lose that transition color. Just like that. So now I'm going to use the other side of this brush, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm just going to pop that in the center of my lid, just to brighten up right in the center. See? Just like that. Give it a nice effect. Now I'm going to use this first shade right here, and I'm going to pop that underneath my eyebrow and in the inner corner. that. So now we're gonna go in with the lower lash line. I am going to use my Too Faced Peach palette, which every time I open it, it just smells so good. I haven't used this palette in a good minute, but I did want to use this purple right here called Talk Derby to Me. Just kidding. Called Delectable, and I just want to pop that on my lower lash line. I'm going to use this brush, my lower lash line. So now that that eyeshadow is done, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Fake Awake. Put that right in the lower lash line. Just so it's a little more bright. Alright guys, so the eyeshadow is done. I'm super happy with it. I think it's super fun and beautiful. And I'm going to go in now and put some mascara. I don't want to use liner because I don't want to take away from the blue eyeshadow. I am using my Charlotte Tilbury mascara. So I'm gonna go put on my fake eyelashes and I will be right back. So my eyelashes are on. They're still drying, and I am using the Eyelure Nicole Guerrera collab. I love these. I bought more and I'm waiting for them to come in because I think they're just the perfect eyelashes. So now I'm going to be putting on my eye highlight, and I have something fun that I am going to add also. So I'm going to go in with my Jaclyn Hill little palette that she came out with a while back, and I'm going to be using the color Champagne Pop. I take that and put that on my fan brush, and I just think this color is just so intense and beautiful. You just cannot go wrong with it. And I feel like when it's a festival, you feel like, you know, you need the more intense kind of glow highlight. So we're gonna put that all over my nose, down the bridge, even on the tip. Put that on here like this. I'm gonna put it on my forehead over here a little bit. You just want to glow everywhere. I feel like it's just a time to glow. Put a little bit on my chin. If you look like you're a little sweaty, you're doing it right. Now I'm gonna go in with a fun lipstick color. I'm using the NARS, I don't know what this is called, the Power Matte Lip Pigment. I like this formula a lot. It's very liquidy, but it dries completely matte, does not move. You can barely get it off your lips, but I think this is the perfect color, and this is the color it just spilled. So as I was saying that it was very liquidy, it decided to spill all over my makeup drawer. Anyways, as I was saying, this is the color London Calling. Do not flip this over unless you have the lid on it. But I'm gonna put that on. I really like this applicator because I feel like you don't even need like a lip liner because it's very precise. Okay, so there is that. I never wear this much makeup and this colorful look and these really intense purple lips. Really feeling it. I actually think it's adorable, and I think I need to go to a festival. I'm gonna go in and do something kind of fun, and I'm going to put on some glitter freckles. I think it's super cute. I've been seeing it's kind of trendy right now, and I love it. I think it's adorable, and I'm gonna give it a go and try to do it. I like how this lip is actually matching the purple eyeshadow under my eyes. So I'm gonna take some lash glue, put that like that, some freckles, like that. Oh gosh, please work. I think it's kind of working, and I think it's super cute. Just using these really big kind of shimmers, and it's not really glitter like the glitter I have in my hair, which is like an iridescent kind of glitter. These are more chunky, so it doesn't mess up your whole entire room like I did with the iridescent one. That looks super cute. I think that's super festive. Right? So I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. There is that. I think it's so cute. I love it. I wonder why these girls love to do all this festival stuff. I feel like it's super fun. I did like this little braided hair and I put it in, and then I put the glitter on top here. I feel like that wouldn't last very long, but I think it's super cute for your initial like pictures, you know, photo op. But yeah, I think this was super fun, and I've never, you know, really go out of my comfort zone to do a look like this, and I feel like this is like a great opportunity to do that. If you are going to a festival, if you're not, if you just think it's fun to wear blues and purples, then you know what, you do you, boo. But I do love this. I think this lip, you guys, you need to check those out because the NARS liquid lips, I have a few of them and I really, really enjoy them. They just feel really nice on the lips. They're super dry. They don't come off. I love them. And yeah, so if you guys like this video, then give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any suggestions on what kind of videos you'd like me to do next, or what kind of tutorials you'd like, or if you want to see more festival looks, then just let me know because I love to do it and I think it's super fun. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your week and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!